Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp username using latest update. So WhatsApp has finally introduced the new username feature, and with this feature you can create a unique username for your account. So in the future you won't always need to share your phone number when adding new contacts. And this will give you a more privacy because people can connect with you using your username instead of your personal number. However, just keep in mind that this feature is still rolling out globally, and at this moment most users can only reserve their username while waiting for full release. Like this. Just go to settings and then go to account and then just tap on the username like this. If you have successfully reserved your username, you will see a screen like this. In the username menu, you will see your username and the username key on here. But don't worry if you want to use a different username later, because WhatsApp lets you change it anytime. And here's how to do it. Just simply open settings and then next just go to account, this one, and then just tap on account and then just tap on username, and then in here, if you have already received a username like this, you will see the edit button on the top right corner, this one. Just simply tap on it, tap edit, and then next just tap on change username, this one. And then in here just simply enter your new username, and for example like this. And WhatsApp will automatically check whether it's available like this. If you see the green check mark, that means your username is available and ready to use. And then next just simply tap on save like this, and then just tap on OK, and your new username will be updated instantly like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.